Glory to Jesus Christ, glory to the God forever. So this is a user manual. It has tutorial of how to use or even to use and extract CPK extension files. So we just open such a simple program, CPK file builder, and we need to drag in the file inside this part of quad, not here and not here and not here, only here. So we take any file and it opens and shows before extracting the contents of the file, what compression type and so on, because these files, CPK compressed files, they take too much time to extract and to compress back. So it is better to see the content of the file, not to extract in vain, to take time. Whatever you SSD or CPU you have, it will take the same time, so too long. So be ready. So in order to build a file, you just copy, you just drag and drop the folder you want to build here in the first one, and then you click on build CPK. You select how you want to show the file mode inside the folder, and compression, force compression or not, and then you click on clip build. Such manuals it is, glorify the God forever.